Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Minecraft. While launching the game, you are getting the error, no supported graphic backend was found, does not support openGL. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, all you have to do is to open your web browser and download this particular tool right from the Microsoft website. The name is openCL or openGL Vulkan compatibility pack. Simply click on the option download to download this tool into your PC. Save it, and once this program is downloaded, go ahead and install this compatibility pack into your system, and hopefully you will be able to play the game. If this failed to work out, you need to do a clean installation of your GPU drivers, and to do so, in case of AMD, here is the AMD cleanup utility. Scroll down and here is the download link. Download it into your PC. Once it is downloaded, launch it. Now it is saying that my system is not in the safe mode. So once I hit the yes button, the system will reboot into the safe mode. So make sure you must reboot your system into the safe mode. After starting your system into a safe mode, you will get a prompt like this. So simply hit the OK button. It will take few minutes and you will get a successful message like this. AMD cleanup utility has successfully completed. Simply click on the option finish and then restart your PC in the normal mode. Once your system restart into the normal mode, open the official AMD website. From here, in the search box, type in the name of your GPU. For example, at my end, it is Radeon RX 5500 XT. Select the GPU and click on the option search. Now, depending upon the type of Windows you have, expand and click on the option download to download the auto detect and installer tool into your PC. Once it is downloaded, install it and update your drivers. Same thing you need to do with GPU. Here is the official website of the NVIDIA. Type in all the details over here and then it will provide you the relevant drivers for your NVIDIA GPU. Once the drivers of your NVIDIA as well as AMD are fully updated, go ahead and launch the game, and this will 100% fix out the issue of no supported graphic backend was found, does not support openGL while launching the Minecraft game. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.